Okay, to achieve the end card that I am going for, we are going to go to canva.com, and this is where we're going to create our free end card. There's multiple things you can create in Canva, but today we are going to focus on the end card, and it's going to be simple and easy for beginner, small YouTubers. We are going to start here in presentations. And it's going to give us a blank slate to start from. So here there's all type of templates you can choose from. They really help you out with trying to get your creative juices going. I kind of got an idea of what I want to do, and I'm going to upload my picture to my end card. So here I'm going to go to upload, and this is where you have all of your pictures, videos, and audio that you can possibly upload. We're going to use this picture here, and I'm going to bring it up to size. Kind of want it big. Off to the side. Now I'm going to go up to this icon here, and it's the transparency, and this is going to give the picture kind of like a faded type illusion. I'm going to take it down to 75. Alright, so now I want to focus on my background. Kind of already chose the color I wanted. I know I want this peachy color, but one thing you want to make sure you keep an eye on is when you choose your backgrounds, make sure it has this little free icon, because you know you don't need to upgrade to Canva Pro to use it. So like this one, you have to upgrade, and if I was to click on it, it will have this huge watermark, and that's unappealing. So make sure you choose a free one. Unless you want to upgrade, you can go ahead and do that, and you will have a bigger selection of backgrounds to choose. So I'm going to increase my photo just a little bit more and bring it down. Right there is good. So we got my uploaded picture and my background. I'm going to go back to the sidebar here on the left. I'm going to choose elements, because if you know anything about your end cards, you know you always have the video and then a circle for people to tap to subscribe. So I'm going to bring this circle so I can put my subscribe logo in there. And then also I have a picture of an iPhone that I'm going to add, and this is going to represent the upcoming video to watch next. So I'm going to turn that, and I'm going to bring that here, and I'm just going to adjust the size. Alright, so next I want to add some text, and let's see, I always have a hard time dragging the text, and I don't know why here. Alright, so we're going to put this text here, and it's going to say watch next, so we can let our viewers know what to do. And I'm just going to readjust the things here. Now, one thing I want to do is to give this a little bit more dimension, so I'm going to look for something to put behind watch next. And if you go to elements here, you got all these different things you can choose from, and I'm gonna go down to gradient, and we're going to look at all of them. And I think I like this one, and it happens to be free. So let's choose this. Gonna size it up a little bit, and I'm going to bring it here. Once I bring it on top of the wording watch next, you see that it is in the front and we want it to be in the back. So the way to do that is you are going to click position up here at the top and hit backwards. So now watch next is on top. I feel like I need to bring this phone down a little bit. Maybe even bring the watch next down just a tiny bit. And there we go. So now I want to make sure to let the people know to subscribe. I'm going to go to text. I'm going to actually, I think I want subheading, and I'm going to pull this down here, and I'm going to put subscribe, pull it out just a little bit. I'm going to go up here and change the color. Let's see. We'll go with that darker color. I'm going to bold, and I want to change the font. So see here. Let's go with this font, and I know this font is free because it doesn't have this little crown next to it. So let's try it here. I like that. Okay, so now we are going to go back to elements, and I want to put a little dimension next or behind the subscribe button. So I'm going to choose, see how this looks. I want to just resize it. Just positioning and everything. Okay, so now subscribe sticks out a little bit more, and I'm going to put an arrow in the picture. So we are still under elements. I'm just going to click elements again just to go back to like the main element page, and in the search bar I'm going to type in arrows so I can let the people know where to tap to subscribe. Let's see here. Like this one. I'm going to resize this down, and we're going to flip it. Kind of have it going like so. I'm going to resize it just a little bit smaller. And I think that's good. Let's turn it a little bit more. Just like that. And let's change the color. We're going to go up here to the color bar. And let's see what this pink looks like. And I like that. Actually, I'm going to click on the circle, and I want to change the color of that. I was thinking about maybe gray, just so it won't be so dark. Or that pinkish color is nice too. Oh, there we go. I like that more. Okay. I feel like I need to move this up just a little bit and over, and actually make it a little bit bigger, because I want people to see the video. I want it to be like, oh, they can actually see what video is playing next. So now I want to add my Instagram information over here. So it's under my recently used, and I'm going to use this Instagram logo, put it here. I'm going to size it down. I'm going to go back to text, add a heading at made simple with Jay. Grass, gonna size this down and gonna bring it here. Let's see if we should change the actual font. I don't like that. I haven't really been able to find a font that I really like and to stick with it. But this one looks good, called League Spartan. That looks good. I think I might leave that black just so it can stand out. And this is my end product, you guys. So once you are done with your project, you want to make sure you save it. So you want to go up to this arrow here, the suggested file type. You want to make sure it is a PNG. So click that and hit download, and you are all set. This will save, and now you can use it on your end cards. So I want to thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps you out with creating your end card. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can always be notified when I post my next video. If you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for showing me all of your support. Until next time, you guys, take care.